Alright guys, we've been trying the 100-foot rail all day. I've never had to fight so hard for my speed. And I was like, yo, that's a dream location of mine. I want to go there so bad. You're not going there before me. What's up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to Bear Mountain. We're out here with my brother and his rug. I mean, a guy named Rug. And today's gonna be so sick. This is a dream of mine to come to Bear Mountain. I've never been here before. Obviously, Sunday in the park, all the edits from Bear Mountain. It's like, this is a dream. If you're a park shredder, park rat, you wanna come here and experience this. So let's get into it. It's gonna be sick. And I'm smiling ear to ear, so let's go. Guys, a couple laps in, we're feeling it out. It's definitely different than I thought. I'll explain in a minute, but let's go. Alright guys, so we're kind of wandering around the mountain looking for like all the parks. We just found like a 3 jump line and a couple little boxes of rails. I'm not gonna lie, I can't lie to you guys. I thought Bear would have more features. It's actually it's a ton of space, not a lot of features, and it's just like set up for one big trick, which isn't bad. It's still a fun park. It's super sick. I just had an expectation, and it just came in down here. My expectation was here, it came in here, and I'm just like, I'm trying to like figure that out. You know what I'm saying? You ever like expected and get like it's not the same. Still sick though. We're gonna have a sick day. Today is about figuring out what we're doing, like the features, everything like that. Tomorrow's throwdown session, and then the day after that we're going to Vegas. It's gonna be sick. So if you're new to the channel, subscribe, because we not only travel to we're gonna travel to every ski resort in the United States, but we also make fun how-to videos for you guys. All right, enough talking though. Let's get back to the riding. Shout out to my little brother for filming this trip, and let's go. It's so warm and potatoey out here. They're a little slow, but I think we can figure out the speed. I've never had to fight so hard for my speed. There we go. Alright, the slushy jumps are fun. It's always a challenge when you show up to the mountain this late in the day. We got here like midday, so everything's potatoes. Tomorrow we'll be starting our day earlier. Hopefully we can get that like transition period where it's kind of frozen and then it starts to softening up, and then everything's fast, everything's smooth. That's what we're looking for tomorrow. Another thing about this mountain that's super interesting is it's got a constant wind. So I don't know if you guys are getting some wind noise right now. So you gotta deal with what you get. But you know what else we gotta deal with? Today's sticker shout out. We got Jason R7308 with the black sticker on the pink helmet. Looking so sick, man. Thank you for supporting the channel. As well as we got Transformers Rule with a black Evolution hat. Looking sick, guys. Thank you so much for snagging Evolution merch, supporting the dream. Guys, if you want an Evolution sticker or any of the merch, hoodies, t-shirts, long sleeves, they're all linked in the description. And if you do snag any of them, tag me on my Instagram and I'll give you guys gear and sticker shout outs. But also follow my Instagram. It's where I posted that we were headed out to Bear Mountain. So you can come meet up with me, take some runs, say what up to me. So shout out to everyone that has done that so far. But also you don't want to miss out on any of the bonus extra content. So follow the Instagram for sure. All right, so my little brother wants to hit some of these smaller features. We got to get Rug to hit some features today too, because it's the mellow fun day. And then tomorrow's the Johnathan Buckhouse full send, hopefully super epic day.
Rug and I were gonna do a trip. Then you decided, no, I'm coming with.
Oh, I hijacked the trip. I was like, yo, that's a dream location of mine. I want to go there so bad. You're not going there before me. First ever rail. Let's go. How'd it feel?
Felt great.
Like walking on a carpet. All right, so we're hitting the stunt ditch and definitely feel like the right side wall is actually really good, which is my toe side, my stronger side. But the left side, which is my heel side, is like got a little bit of oververt. It's just different. It's not as good as the right side wall. But we're getting some good front side airs, which is nice. The boys killed it on the boxes and the rails. Rug hit his first rail ever. I didn't like coach him through it as much as I told him to just do it, and he did it. But if you're interested in getting coached by me, check out Snowboard Camp. It's linked in the description. All-inclusive camp in June. We'll be snowboarding conditions like this. Super slushy, warm, doesn't hurt to fall conditions. It's prime for learning. And if you can like turn down the mountain, Snowboard Camp is for you. If you're an older guy too, come to camp. It's an adult camp. You gotta be 18 or older. There's gonna be a good range between mid-20s to like 30s into the 40s. So like, come on, come to Snowboard Camp. It's gonna be sick. If you're that guy that's like, I don't know, maybe I shouldn't go, you're wrong. You should go to camp. That's linked in the description. And all right, we have like about an hour and a half left, and we're gonna session the big park for the rest of the time. So let's get it. Have to scope the view real quick though. The crazy thing is in Summit County, Colorado, I live above the elevation of this mountain. That's crazy.
No. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dime. Oh, 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 serves his upper mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair, telling fair. Put you down and leave you dead, don't make them
I've ever experienced, and this is only Friday, so many people in a park, and like, it's just always someone in the way. This place is madness, but in a super fun way. There's a ton of super sick features here.
Pretty Caroline, stone cold stunner.
Oh, the last section. Oh man, I had that.
Surface of her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's time first, time first. They'll put you down and leave you dead, don't make them scared. Yeah, that's the ugly truth. How they come for you. Yeah, yeah, let's go. It's the missed opportunity train. It only comes on a very blue moon. Blink twice, and you missed it again. Waiting in line for the party to end. Guess you didn't get what they asked for. Not a genie in sight.
All right, guys, we're winding down. Thankfully, the park has gotten a little slower. People are dipping out for the end of the day. I think we got 2 more in us, and then we got to go get a pin for the mountain. Hopefully they have one. I collect a pin at every ski resort I go to, so we'll snag that. But yeah, let's crush these next runs. I will say, for being in California, the last thing I thought I would see is just a ton of litter. This mountain's covered in trash. Good run. That's a good run. This one's chipmunk. Here we go. Woo! Alright guys, we've been trying the 100-foot rail all day. We gotta get it now, you know? I mean, we all come back tomorrow, but let's get it now so we can hit other stuff or try to board slide through it the next time. All right, guys, I'm happy with today. Definitely felt like I started to get warmed up in the park, started to figure out the features, and got comfortable with 7 trillion people being around us. Now let's go find the gift shop, get my pin for this resort. I really hope they have one, because the last 3 we went to didn't have one. It's closed. We literally rode till the resort closed. So we're gonna be back tomorrow, about to get tomorrow. But you know what's not closed? My merch store. It's open 24/7, guys. And all stickers ship free worldwide. These open cabin ones are so sick. So we asked the parking guy how early we need to show up tomorrow, which is a Saturday, to get parked up by the mountain, not down here. He said 6 in the morning. It doesn't open till 9, 3 hours. I don't know, he could be wrong, but he said they serve breakfast up there. So we'll show up early, we'll eat breakfast, and tomorrow's gonna be 6 session. I'm nervous how crazy and hectic it's gonna be because it's a Saturday, but at the same time, that can make it a ton of fun. With that being said, I hope today's video was a ton of fun, and if it was, smash that like button, guys. Every time you smash it, the almighty YouTube algorithm blesses me and shows more people this video. So smash like so more people can see it, and then if you're new, once again, subscribe to the channel. This is that was the first day of many. Tomorrow we're gonna ride in the morning and then night ride, and then we're heading to Lee's Canyon and gonna rip in Vegas area, which is gonna be really cool. And then we're out of here. 3 new resorts in 3 days. That's how we like to do it. But with that, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with us today, and as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow. with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no, I ain't never gonna need nobody, no cliffhanger, yes.
Ah!